Good morning! I guess it's 8 o'clock now. But we are on our way to a bus that's going to take us to Zakopane for the day. So we have made it to Zakopane and it's snowing and -3 and I didn't bring a hat or gloves and I'm wearing my Vans. We'll see how I go. The trip started off rocky because my headphones were also
dead. Jamie's gonna be -3 to -8. I'm just gonna wear shorts and not bring anything.
Anyways, yeah, I need to find a toilet really badly, but it's really pretty here. We had to make the stop at H&M because I needed to get socks, my feet were hurting. And then we also got some gloves. I have some back at our Airbnb, but Sean didn't have any, so got some and I'm so happy it's snowing, it's so nice.
It's actually really pretty.
Yeah, it's so pretty here. So we're just gonna walk around. I know one thing that we really want to do is take the ski lift up to look at the views, but there are all these cheese little parks around. How's your tea?
I thought it was going to be tea with a bit of whiskey in it. It's called Mountaineer's tea. But if I was to guess, and I've had a few sips, but I would say probably, quite honestly, at least half, if not more, is whiskey. And then they just went and called it tea.
Mine is just normal tea. And I got the mushroom soup with noodles, and Sean has, is it sheep cheese?
Pierogies. Yeah, there's all sheep around here. Just on the stands that we saw on the street are all sheep cheeses. So this is, I think it's just potatoes with cheese dressings, basically. Oh no, there's cheese inside too. Really good.
Good. My soup is really good too. Let's eat. Where next? The one thing we were going to do today was go up on a ski lift on one of the mountains, but then we learned that it is about an hour walk, which is honestly like not like we would have done probably, but we have to get our bus in like 2 hours. So that's not enough time.
We didn't research, I guess, how far away it is.
But I guess like that's the one thing to do here, and so I just assumed that it would be kind of in the city center, like close enough, and all the reviews say it's right off the main street. But then
I guess it's right.
yeah. So we can't do that, which is unfortunate, but we had a really good lunch, honestly. Like, it was really good. I got, I drank the rest of Sean's drink. Still kind of feeling it. It was really, really strong, but I like whiskey and he doesn't, so I just figured I should drink it and not waste it. But we have to figure out where the bus is going to get us from because we don't know where we're supposed to catch it. Don't really know if I should buy a sweater or not because I don't have very many warm...
Yes, I am absolutely for the purchase of a sweater.
Not just for now, but I mean, we're about to go to Greece, which is warm, but then we have the rest of our time in Europe. We're going to be cold, and I only brought one long sleeve because, well, I wasn't really thinking.
It's also not going to be boiling. It's only going to be 12 degrees in Greece, so you can still wear, if you get a turtleneck, you can still wear it out.
Yeah. My thing was, I was just thinking of what I could fit in my bag. And
dark clouds rolling in.
Look at how tall that is. Alright, we've decided to get myself a sweater.
We've decided.
Because Jan 5 is when it gets like really cold. I guess we don't know where we're going. We could be going to Portugal. We don't actually know. We don't have anything booked, so we've come to this place for desserts and coffee with a nice view, as you can see. And I actually went to H&M. I needed to get a sweater, and it was successful. I got one. How's your cheesecake?
Citrusy.
Alright, so it's been a little bit of a bust of the day because the cable car ended up being really far away. So we thought...
We still don't know for sure.
We don't know for sure, but we see some signs for it, and the mountain's right here, and so there's a possibility that the cable car was literally 5 minutes away from us the whole time. Like, we just pondered around today, which was fine. Like, we chilled, had some lunch, dessert, went to H&M. I got myself a long-sleeve shirt, which I did need. But anyways, we're gonna walk down this street. We have some time before our bus, and we're gonna see
If we're idiots.
if we're idiots. The cable car was literally here the whole time.
You can only buy cheese here.
Yes, if you come to Zakopane, you can only ever eat cheese.
Cheese out place. If you don't
And it's
want,
cheap cheese.
If you want cheap cheese, here's the sugar stand. Sukier is sugar.
Well, looks close to me. So we just got back to our Airbnb, had a long bus ride. It was fine, bumpy. And Sean's chopping up the old veggies for our dinner. Then I'm gonna cook them up. So for the rest of the evening, I think we're just gonna eat, and then
The whole evening.
yeah, the whole evening we're just gonna eat. But we do have to pack because tomorrow we are leaving. We've been in Krakow for 3 weeks, which is pretty crazy that it's already gone by, but time to leave. Moving on to other things. Sean needs to go through my stuff because he is really wanting to throw some of my stuff out.
Some of it. The
Because-
stuff that causes chronic back pain.
Yeah. So we'll see what happens with that, I guess. While we were away today, there's like a little piece of artwork on our wall that needed to be fixed. And so the Airbnb host asked us if it was okay if someone came to fix it. And this is what they did. Put some tape on it. But it's really funny to walk into that. All right. I got the veggies, the tofu, the rice. I got some broth happening. And this rice in here is leftover. And then I'm doing another thing because we need some more rice. All right, so we're getting this sofa bed already and gonna have a couple of drinks and watch stuff together. And we're off tomorrow. So see ya next time.